Moving on, monthly milk consumption in the country has declined from 63 million litres, in January to 42 million litres in July, in what the Kenya Dairy Board attributes to reduced orders from institutions and households due to the Covid-19 pandemic. This comes as Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya unveiled plans to expand risk management programs to smallholder farmers in order to make them resilient.
According to the Kenya Dairy Board, before Covid-19, productivity per cow per day already remained low at 7 to 9 litres per day, mainly due to poor feeding, among other poor animal husbandry practices. Cumulatively, production was estimated at 5.2 billion litres per year from cattle, camels, goats and sheep. However, this year, disruption has been evident.
We are aware that the cost of animal feed is still very high, and that is the reason today we had many presentations on how to ensure that this is brought down. We had the Cash Cow initiative that is looking at commercialization of feed. We want to also see the access. We want to see how we can access protein to the farmers, because that is where that we get from the region within the EAC, and we want to ensure that it is available.
On her part, the Kenya Dairy Board Managing Director Margaret Kibogi said dairy farmers were also being targeted in efforts to safeguard them from occurrence of risk, especially through the entire value chain.
We noted that 80% of our dairy farmers are small scale, and when they are small scale, there are a lot of inefficiencies and low productivity per cow. So we are looking at different models of how a farmer can be able to make profits by looking at other models like the cooperative model that we talked about today, the CODAF, where farmers can pull together the resources and they'll be able to address issues of management, they'll be able to address issues of feeding, they'll be able to address issues of genetics in a lower way because of economies of scale.
Speaking at a dairy production stakeholders meeting, Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya said 117.5 million shillings as compensation payout was now available for 28 counties for the 2019 period, even as the ministry expands access to cover yield loss.
These compensation to farmers are clear indications of the benefits and positive impact of the program. I urge farmers to take advantage of this crop insurance program that is highly subsidized by the government in order to cover themselves from the ever-increasing risks.
The Agriculture Ministry says the 2016 pilot phase of the crop insurance program successfully registered 900 smallholder farmers from adverse agricultural shocks in various counties. And in the 2019 rainy season alone, the ministry says more than 409,000 farmers in 27 counties were successfully included in the program that saw at least 32,000 farmers compensated and the country's food security and nutrition safeguarded. Alan Auko, Channel 1 Business.